Are you planning a pregnancy? If yes, तो I'm sure कि आपके मन में बहुत सारे सवाल हैं। राइट टाइम क्या है प्रेगनेंसी प्लान करने का? फिर मैंने खाना क्या खाना चाहिए? मैं एक्सरसाइज कर सकती हूँ कि नहीं? क्या सप्लीमेंट्स खाने चाहिए? कुछ ब्लड टेस्ट करने चाहिए कि नहीं? Let us try to understand all of these things today in today's video. Namaste, I'm Dr. Ameya Kanakia, an obstetrician and gynecologist. And if you're looking for some authentic information regarding pregnancy, women's health, and even menopause, then click on that subscribe icon. I'm here to talk to you about all of these issues and help you to manage yourself better. So let's get started today about planning a pregnancy. आपने क्या चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी है, डॉक्टर से कब मिलना है, क्या सप्लीमेंट्स खाने हैं, all of these things. The first question which is asked when somebody is planning a pregnancy is कि what is the right time to get pregnant? काफ़ी बार शादी होने के तुरंत बाद people come to me and ask me कि right time क्या है pregnancy प्लान करने का, उस हिसाब से we want to plan everything. Now, biologically speaking, your early 20s is a good time for you to get pregnant. लेकिन practically speaking, everybody cannot plan their pregnancy around that time. But that does not always mean that pregnancy can be a problem for you जब आप planning start करोगे. But remember that age is just a number. अगर आप fit हो, अगर आप healthy हो, तो planning a pregnancy at any age may not be a very difficult thing for you. So, right time is actually when you as a couple are ready to plan your pregnancy. अब प्रेगनेंसी प्लान करने के बाद इमीडिएटली रिजल्ट्स नहीं आते हैं. In every cycle, in every period cycle, you have around 8 to 10% chance of getting pregnant. Only 8 to 10% chance. अगर immediately results नहीं आ रहे हैं तो you don't have to get upset. So medically speaking, if after 12 months of regular unprotected intercourse आपको pregnancy नहीं रुकती है तो then we consider it as infertility and where we want to advise you certain blood tests, certain investigations to understand what's the problem. अगर आपकी एज 35 के आसपास है या 35 से ज़्यादा है तो रिड्यूस दैट 12 मंथ्स विंडो टू 6 मंथ विंडो. 6 मंथ्स में अगर आप प्रेग्नेंट नहीं रह सक रहे हो then you can go and talk to your doctor and try to understand what the problem could be. Now when you start planning a pregnancy after you have spoken to your spouse about it and अगर आप दोनों ने प्लान करी है pregnancy, now comes the second question which is when should I plan my intercourse so that I can get pregnant, which means आपका fertility period या fertile window क्या है. Now in a normal menstrual cycle, उसके cycle के बीच में you ovulate. मतलब अगर आपकी 28 डेज की साइकिल है विच मीन्स कि आपकी फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द पीरियड टू द नेक्स्ट पीरियड का फर्स्ट डे में अगर 28 डेज का गैप है तो यू विल ओव्यूलेट अराउंड द 14th डे. अगर आपकी साइकिल से 32 डेज की है तो योर ओव्यूलेशन विल बी 32 माइनस 14 विच विल बी द 18th डे. सो ओव्यूलेशन के 14 डेज के बाद आपको पीरियड आता है विच मीन्स आपकी एक्सपेक्टेड डेट ऑफ पीरियड से आप जब 14 डेज माइनस करते हो दैट इज योर ओव्यूलेशन टाइम. और ऐसा एक दिन अगर हम पेशेंट्स को बताते हैं तो दे एंड अप गेटिंग वेरी टेंस्ड एंड वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट इट. But it is not always necessary to keep just that one day of the month in mind. Now, sperms can stay alive inside the female body for 72 hours. The ovum or the egg can stay alive in the body for 24 hours. So थोड़ा सा time gap हमको मिलता है for your fertile window. So approximately 3 to 4 days prior to your ovulation date and 3 to 4 days after your ovulation date is your fertile window. इस time के बीच में अगर you plan your intercourse, then you can expect a life and a good pregnancy. Now, अगर आपकी ये सेकेंड या थर्ड प्रेगनेंसी है और प्रीवियस प्रेगनेंसी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ था जैसे कि मिसकैरेज हुआ था या यू हैड ब्लड प्रेशर इन दैट प्रेगनेंसी और यू हैड डायबिटीज इन दैट प्रेगनेंसी, डिलीवरी जल्दी हुई थी, बच्चे का ग्रोथ बराबर से नहीं हुआ था, इन ऑल ऑफ दीज सिचुएशंस वी वांट टू सी यू बिफोर यू प्लान अ प्रेगनेंसी बिकॉज ऐसे केसेस में वी माइट वांट टू स्टार्ट certain medications for you or we might want to do certain tests for you before you are getting pregnant. So अगर ऐसी कुछ भी बात आपकी प्रीवियस प्रेगनेंसी में हुई है तो डू मीट योर डॉक्टर बिफोर यू स्टार्ट प्लानिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी. Other reasons why you should also see a doctor is that if you are taking some kind of medications, जैसे कि blood pressure के medications चालू है, diabetes के medications चालू है, we might want to change these medications to some medicines which are safe in pregnancy. So for this reason also, pregnancy plan करने के पहले talk to your doctor so that we can shift you to medications that can be taken during pregnancy also. Now, if you see a doctor, we would also advise you certain blood tests, certain tests to be done before your pregnancy. Now, we want to check certain things like your hemoglobin levels, your sugar levels, your thyroid levels. We also want to check if you are immune to rubella infection, because this is one infection which can cause problems in the fetus if you have an active infection when you conceive. So we do a test called as the rubella IgG antibodies. अगर आपकी बॉडी में वो IgG antibodies present है, तो in that case you can safely go forward with your pregnancy plan. अगर वो antibodies negative होती है, तो we advise a vaccine for rubella which you can take and wait for 3 months before you start planning for a pregnancy. अगर आपके कोई और टेस्ट में प्रॉब्लम है, जैसे कि हीमोग्लोबिन कम है, थायराइड लेवल्स में प्रॉब्लम है, हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म है, तो ऐसे केसेस में ऑल्सो वी माइट वांट टू स्टार्ट सम मेडिकेशंस बिफोर यू आर प्लानिंग योर प्रेगनेंसी. We also want to start you on certain other medication or supplements, which is basically folic acid supplements. जब आप folic acid खाते हो, so that helps a healthy neural tube development in your baby. Neural tube is the tube which forms the spinal cord and the brain. So a deficiency of folic acid can cause problems when the neural tube of the baby is developing. Now this neural tube develops around the time when you miss your periods. आपके periods आते हैं, then you ovulate. That is the time when you actually conceive, and by the time you miss your next periods, that is the time when your baby's neural tube is getting formed. So अगर आप पहले से folic acid खा रहे हो, तो that is the time when this folic acid actually helps the baby by preventing these neural tube defects. So starting folic acid right when you start planning for a pregnancy is something which will definitely help you. Then comes the question of मैंने क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए, exercise का क्या बंद करनी चाहिए क्या. Now, any kind of food which is healthy is good for a pregnancy because it is something which keeps both the mother and the would-be baby also healthy. There is nothing that you specifically need to avoid when you are planning a pregnancy. There is a concept somewhere कि ये चीज़ गर्म पड़ती है, ये नहीं खाओ. Now, actually speaking, everything that you eat in moderation is okay for you. घर का बना हुआ खाना, healthy खाना, which is not deep fried, which is not packaged, is always good for you. So all such kind of foodstuffs, if eaten in moderation, are definitely good for you. Second thing is about exercise. कि प्रेगनेंसी रुक जाएगी तो फिर एक्सरसाइज नहीं करना चाहिए, तो मैं पहले से एक्सरसाइज बंद कर देती हूँ, ऐसे बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स बोलते हैं. Now remember that when you actually get pregnant, your baby goes and embeds itself inside your uterine wall. It is not something which is hanging by a thread कि आप एक्सरसाइज करोगे, जंप करोगे तो वो गिर जाएगा, मिसकैरेज हो जाएगा. In fact, moderate kind of exercise actually helps you for yourself to be fit and for your baby also to be healthy. In fact, exercise can help you have a good physical and mental health. It can also help you have a healthy pregnancy. So some form of exercise is good to be started right before your pregnancy. So do keep all of these things in mind when you start planning your pregnancy. Till then, share this video with someone who is planning a pregnancy and keep following for more.